Welcome to a quick overview of the term attenuation, a fundamental concept in the fields of signal processing and telecommunications. In just 60 seconds, let's explore what attenuation is and why it matters. Attenuation refers to the reduction in the magnitude or intensity of a signal as it travels through a medium or encounters obstacles in its path. This phenomenon is commonly observed in various forms of wave propagation, including electromagnetic waves, sound waves, and electrical signals. In the world of telecommunications, attenuation plays a critical role in the quality and reliability of signal transmission. As a signal travels over long distances through cables or fiber optic lines, it gradually loses its strength due to attenuation. This can lead to signal degradation and a decrease in data transfer rates. In electrical engineering, attenuation occurs when electrical signals pass through components like resistors, cables, or filters. The resistance or impedance of these components causes a reduction in signal voltage or current. Understanding attenuation is essential for professionals in fields like telecommunications, electronics, and audio engineering. It helps them design and optimize systems to minimize signal loss and maintain signal integrity. In the context of audio and music production, attenuation is used deliberately to control the volume of audio signals. Audio engineers use devices like attenuators and volume controls to adjust signal levels and achieve the desired sound balance. Attenuation varies depending on the medium and frequency of the signal. Higher frequencies tend to experience more attenuation, which is a crucial consideration in wireless communication and high-frequency applications. Stay informed and signal savvy. Recognizing the concept and significance of attenuation is key to ensuring reliable signal transmission and maintaining the quality of various communication and electrical systems.